बीजेपीचो अध्यक्ष अमित शहाचे दाबोळे एअरपोर्टावेल्या वादग्रस्त पब्लिक मिटिंगेचे केशींत हायकोर्टान गोंय सरकार, विमानतळ ऑथॉरिटी AAI आणि गोंयचे DGPक नोटीस काढल्या। एक्टिविस्ट आयरिशान हे प्रकरण हायकोर्टांत व्हेल्लें। विमानतळा सारकेले अतिसंवेदनशील सुवातेचेर जाहीर सभा घेवन बेजबाबदारपणा केला। सभेक कोणे मान्यताय दिल्ली ताची चौकशी जावंक जाय म्हूण हे प्रकरण हायकोर्टांत गेलां।
एअरपोर्टा सारकेली सुवात अति संवेदनशील असता अशा सुवातेर कसलीच परवानगी घेनासतना 1 जुलयाक बीजेपीचो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शहान सभा घेतली। कायदो खुट्याळ्याक लावन सभा जाली आणि एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीन कान दोळे धापले म्हूण एक्टिविस्ट आयरिश हे आर्ग्युमेंट घेवन हायकोर्टात गेल्लो। हायकोर्टान आता अमित शहाचे 1 जुलयाक जाल्ले पब्लिक मिटिंगेचेर हे याचिकेची दखल घेतल्या। हायकोर्टान गोंय सरकार, विमानतळ ऑथॉरिटी AAI आणि गोंयच्या DGPक हे विशीं 3 सप्तकां भितर जाप दिवंक सांगल्या।
Yes, sir. What happened today in that Amit Shah public meeting matter?
Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa, bench comprising of Justice FM Reyes and Justice Nutan Sardesai have today issued notices to the Secretary of Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Chief Secretary of Goa, the DGP and the Airport Authority, besides the CISF also, on the petition filed by me seeking for a thorough inquiry into the illegal and unlawful public meeting held by the BJP on the 1st of July at the Daboli airport in total contravention of law. The court has fixed the matter after 3 weeks, within which period various respondents would have to file their replies. I have in my petition pointed out that in a total abuse of power, and it is for the first time in the history of the country that a public meeting was organized at the airport itself. So it's a very serious issue. The authorities gave a total go-by to the national security interest and in contravention of law, allowing such an illegal public meeting to be held at the airport. I have in my petition pointed out that the authorities have acted as stooges of the ruling party. In fact, the authorities ought to have registered FIR against the organizers of the meeting, Amit Shah and all those who participated in the meeting. So this had to happen, but the authorities have given a total go-by to the rule of law, and that is the reason I have had to move the Honorable Bombay High Court seeking their intervention, that the Honorable High Court intervenes and orders a thorough inquiry into this high-handed and unlawful meeting held at the Dabolim airport.
सभेची विमानतळाचेर सगळी तयारी पयलींच केल्ली आशिल्ली, मात बीजेपी म्हणटा सभा खंय स्पॉन्टेनियस जाली। मात असले स्पश्टीकरण हायकोर्ट मानून घेता काय कितें ताचेर एक केशीचो फुडार। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।
मायनिंग केशींत SITन आनीक एकले ट्रेडराक धरलो। फिलिप जेकब म्हणटा तो कोचीनचो ट्रेडर। ताचे अमालगिरी ट्रेडर्स म्हणटा त्या कंपनीच्या अकाउंटांतल्यान 100 कोटीचे कॅश विड्रॉवल वेव्हार SITक दिसल्यात। हो पयसो कांय राजकारण्या मेरेन रूट जाला म्हूण SITक दुबाव। हे धागेदोरे SIT सोदता। कांय मिनेरां कडेनय ताचे लिंक्स दिसल्यात, पूण चडशे वेव्हार कॅशान। उसगांवां धरिल्लो ट्रेडर कांच्या गौंडर अजून SITचे कस्टडींत आसा। घेऊ एक ब्रेक।